Funchal, the vibrant capital of Portugal's Madeira archipelago, stands as a shining gem in the Atlantic Ocean. Nestled between lush green mountains and the azure waters of the Atlantic, this city boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Its origins trace back to the 15th century when Portuguese explorers first discovered the island, and since then, Funchal has evolved into a thriving hub that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. One cannot discuss Funchal without highlighting its breathtaking landscapes. The city is renowned for its dramatic cliffs that plunge into the sea, offering panoramic views that captivate visitors at every turn. The surrounding mountains are cloaked in verdant forests, home to unique flora and fauna, making the region a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The city's gardens, such as the famous Monte Palace Tropical Garden and the Madeira Botanical Garden, showcase a stunning variety of exotic plants, vibrant flowers, and ancient trees, providing tranquil escapes amid the urban setting. Funchal's charming old town exudes historical charm. Its narrow cobblestone streets wind through colorful buildings adorned with traditional wrought iron balconies and tiled facades. Here, visitors can explore lively markets like Mercado dos Lavradores, where local farmers and artisans display fresh produce, handcrafted goods, and vibrant flowers. The market's bustling atmosphere offers a taste of authentic Madeiran life, filled with aromas of tropical fruits, spices, and freshly baked bread. The city's history is deeply intertwined with maritime exploration. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Funchal served as a vital port for ships embarking on voyages to Africa, India, and the Americas. This legacy is reflected in landmarks such as the Santa Clara Convent and the Cathedral of Funchal, which showcase exquisite architecture and religious art from the period. Walking through these historic sites transports visitors back to an era of exploration and discovery. Funchal is also famed for its unique cultural traditions. The annual Madeira Flower Festival transforms the city into a vibrant palette of colors, as streets are decorated with intricate floral displays, and locals participate in lively parades. Similarly, the Festa de São João features traditional music, dance, and fireworks, embodying the community's joyous spirit. The city's culinary scene reflects its diverse heritage, with dishes like espetada, grilled meat skewers, black scabbard fish with banana, and the famous Madeira wine that has been produced here for centuries. Madeira's climate contributes immensely to its appeal. The city enjoys a subtropical Mediterranean climate, characterized by mild winters and warm summers, allowing for year-round outdoor activities. The mild weather fosters the growth of vineyards on terraced slopes, where winemakers produce the renowned Madeira wine, celebrated worldwide for its unique aging process and rich flavors. Tasting this fortified wine offers insight into the island's long-standing tradition of viticulture. Adventure seekers find Funchal equally enticing. The city serves as a starting point for exhilarating activities such as canyoning, mountain biking, and paragliding, all offering spectacular views of the island's rugged terrain. The famous Levada walks, irrigation channels turned scenic hiking trails, allow visitors to traverse lush landscapes, waterfalls, and remote villages, providing an intimate connection with Madeira's pristine environment. Transportation within Funchal is both practical and scenic. The city's cable car system provides a breathtaking ascent from the harbor area to the Monte district, revealing sweeping vistas of the coastline and cityscape. From Monte, visitors can visit the historic Monte Palace, known for its stunning gardens and panoramic terraces. The traditional wicker toboggans, or carros de cesto, offer a fun and exhilarating descent back down the hill, blending tradition with adventure. Funchal's commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly tourism is evident through numerous initiatives. The city promotes green spaces, waste reduction, and renewable energy projects, aiming to preserve its natural beauty for future generations. Its thriving art scene includes galleries, music festivals, and cultural events that celebrate Madeira's rich heritage and contemporary creativity. The city's maritime influence manifests in its lively port, which hosts cruise ships from around the world, bringing diverse visitors eager to explore Madeira's treasures. The waterfront promenade is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, creating a vibrant social hub where locals and tourists mingle over fresh seafood and local wines, soaking in the lively atmosphere. Funchal also plays a vital role in the regional economy. Tourism, agriculture, and fishing are key sectors that sustain its prosperity. The city's strategic location and excellent infrastructure make it a gateway for exploring the entire island, which boasts stunning geological formations like the Cabo Gireo Skywalk, one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe, offering adrenaline-pumping views over the ocean. Throughout its history, Funchal has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, weathering challenges such as earthquakes and volcanic activity. Its residents' warm hospitality and strong community spirit foster a welcoming environment, making visitors feel at home amidst the city's enchanting setting. In recent years, Funchal has embraced modern developments, including sustainable urban planning, innovative tourism projects, and cultural revitalization initiatives. This forward-looking approach ensures that the city remains a dynamic destination where tradition and progress coexist harmoniously. In essence, Funchal is much more than a picturesque coastal city. It is a living mosaic of history, nature, and culture. Its scenic vistas, warm climate, and friendly people create an inviting atmosphere that leaves a lasting impression. Whether exploring its historic streets, hiking through lush landscapes, savoring local cuisine, or simply relaxing by the sea, visitors find themselves drawn into the unique charm of this Atlantic haven. Funchal exemplifies how a city can honor its past while embracing the future, offering an unforgettable experience for all who venture here.